All architecture has a public nature, I believe, so I would like to make a public space. Nature is a brilliant engineer and builder. Nature is my manifestation of God. Nature is a mutable cloud which is always and never the same. There were no temples or shrines among us save those of nature. Reason is a supple nymph, and slippery as a fish by nature. Destruction, hence, like creation, is one of nature's mandates. Limited in his nature, infinite in his desire, man is a fallen God who remembers heaven. The mind itself is of the form of all, I. Subdue your appetites, my dears, and you've conquered human nature.